Friends, when we enter in the first chapter real number, the first sentence we will see and observe is Euclid's division algorithm. This is the first sentence where we see in the first chapter, that is Euclid division algorithm. So first of all we will know what is algorithm, division and then Euclid. So friends, what is the algorithm and then what is division and then Euclid? So friends, algorithm means we have to solve the problems with a well defined steps is called algorithm. For example, this is a problem, so we have to solve this problem. So what are the well defined steps to solve this problem? So first of all, to solve this problem, so we will do this, then do this, then do this, then do this, then that problem will be solved. So when the problem will be solved, so that is called as algorithm. So solving the problems with a well defined steps is called an algorithm. So as usual we know algorithm is complete. Now as usual we know the division. So division means a dividing. So for example, we take as a 8, then with a 2, so 2 4s are 8, 0. So we know division. This is our divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. So we know this division means. And friends, now Euclid's. So what is meant by Euclid? Friends, Euclid means not anything. It's just Euclid means one of the mathematician's name. So he have given the simple way of HCF. So for that purpose we have wrote this as Euclid division algorithm. Euclid means it's a author name, mathematician's name, that is Euclid. So Euclid means also we have known. Now we will start the exercise number 1, that is HCF. So friends, we have know that HCF means a highest common factor. So we know the small thing, the formula of HCF, that is highest common factor. So in this exercise we will apply the formula of this HCF and then we will solve the question with well defined steps. Okay, so if I take a small number, that is, so first of all we will do as a 6 and 12. So we have to remove the HCF of 6 and 12. So how we do? So 12 we write, so which is the biggest in this both? So 12. So 12 is the biggest. So we will write 12 in between and then 6 as a divisor. And then, so after doing this we will do 6 2s are. So we will multiply 6 2s are 12 and then 0. So this is the way we do. So here what is this? This is a divisor and this is dividend, and this is a quotient and this is a remainder. So here by seeing this there is a one formula, that is A is equals to BQ plus R. So this is the formula we apply. So here A means, so which is the biggest here in this 6 and 12? So 12 is the biggest, so A is equals to 12. And then, so here B means divisor. So here we will write as D. Okay, I am writing a capital D. Then here Q. Q means we know that quotient. So here if there is nothing, so to think that it's a multiply D into Q. Then we have know that plus R means remainder. So R. 12 equal to D means I have told you divisor, but we will write this divisor and we'll assume that as a B, and then Q we know that quotient plus remainder. 12 A is equal to BQ plus R. This is the formula. So we have to check that. So we have done this, the HCF of this. So now we will check. So here 12 and then B. What is B? Divisor. We will write 6. Then into, so what is Q? Quotient. We will write 2 and then plus. So what is remainder? 0. And then we have to check LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So 12 equal to 6 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 0. 12 equal to 12. So this is the way we do the HCF. So the formula is A is equals to BQ plus R. So this is the way we do.
Thanks for watching, friends. If you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe button and on the bell icon so that you will get the notification when I post the videos.